Hey Frugivore, welcome back to another episode. So it's just a little bit more interesting to watch me on the tramp, right, than just standing there. So today's video, we're going to check out another what I eat in a day, high protein, vegan. And look, these individuals are unfortunately very uneducated, or they wouldn't even attempt this stupid diet. Seriously, it's just ridiculous to restrict your brain and body's fuel source. Huh? You know, it's like putting like, I don't know, some other chemical in your car, you know, filling the tank with like even just water and expecting it to go. It's not going to go. It needs the petrol, it needs the diesel, and the body needs the carbs, the glucose, the fructose. So we're going to check that out. And if you're interested in a rebounder, I'm not selling them, but I actually have an affiliate link, and you will benefit by getting a discount if you use the link, and I will also benefit from your purchase. So it's a win-win, and I want to be transparent on that. And yeah, I wouldn't promote anything to you that I didn't think was actually beneficial to your life, and especially not something that's unhealthy for you. So check it out. There's a link in the description below. Let's have a look at these high protein diets. Okay, so we're back on TikTok, and I wanted to check out a few of these high protein vegan diets. Okay, because these people really are just victims of the marketing, because all this excess protein that they're consuming actually doesn't help their body, it just hinders it. And unfortunately, you know, there's so much marketing. It's insane, right? It's become absolutely insane. So I'm hoping to try to counteract that and give these individuals some good information to help them stop stuffing their body with this excess protein. So let's check out this what I eat in a day to maintain my 55-pound weight loss, 140 grams of vegan protein. Right.
This is what I eat in a day to maintain my 55-pound weight loss as a vegan. So this was me a few years ago. I then lost a bunch of weight, but since then I've been working on...
Remember, anybody can lose a bunch of weight, and it doesn't have to always be the healthy way, right? It's generally through calorie restriction. People can do juicing, even people do juice diets for like 3 months and they lose a ton of weight. That's not healthy to do it that way. And yeah, they can take drugs. There's so many ways. So don't immediately think, oh, it's a success. She went from this to this. She's successful. What she's doing is right. It's correct. I should follow. Just keep that in mind.
Weight, but since then I've been working on increasing my protein to be able to get stronger in the gym and build muscle.
Okay, so she said she's been working on increasing her protein to get stronger in the gym and build muscle. That's not how it works. It just simply is not how it works. You do not need a whole lot of protein. Your body actually creates a lot of protein itself. You don't need to ingest a whole lot of protein in your diet. And it's just going to basically lead to bloating, constipation, skin breakouts, dehydration. And why is that? Because your organs of elimination are just struggling with this extra protein, and you know, the body's kind of like, why are you fueling me? Why are you trying to feed me with this? And it's not actually scientifically proven that you need to have loads of protein. You need to have a sufficient amount of calories, right? And specifically high carbohydrate from glucose, fructose, because that's what actually fuels your body, fuels your recovery, and is actually what, you know, the trillions of cells in your body run on.
So I always start my day with a soy latte. And then
okay, so she has a deficient diet. Again, there we go. Starting the day with a soy latte. Unfortunately, she's got the drugs in there, but it's predictable. On high protein diets, they will all be drinking the drugs.
Latte, and then for breakfast I had these mango and
coconut oats. Fantastic to see that there's some mango there. Doesn't it really brighten up the image so much? Coconut, yeah, it's some shavings of it. It's not going to be the best fuel for you. Oats, okay, yeah, it's not bad. But it definitely, like, she would definitely benefit from a huge ass banana smoothie first thing, or mango or berries. Mix it up.
Coconut overnight oats for a
okay, for a snack.
I had popcorn and some yogurt.
Popcorn. Let me see this.
I had
sweet.
I had these mango and coconut overnight oats.
This stuff here, this sweet and salty popcorn, I would like to see what the actual table looks like the salt content, because I'm sure it's not going to be, it even says, hey, I'm salty. They even put in the title. So that's going to retain fluid And it can make you think like, oh, I'm gaining weight. Like, look, you know, I'm getting fat. I'm gaining fat. But it can also be fluid. Popcorn, so yogurt and fruit. Yeah, she got a little bit of fruit there. It's still too little fruit. I recommend you stop stuffing around with these diets that are just not working for you and start on a fruit-based diet ASAP. Start changing your life today. There's no more time to waste. Start feeling great. Lose that excess weight. And these are the books. You can get all my books in a bundle for a great discounted price, all my life's work, and completely change your life. Completely change your life. It's amazing. And I also offer one-on-one consults for a limited amount of time. So if you want to check that out, also for those who are female over 200 pounds. So there's a link down below, and we'll see if we're a good fit. And check out these books. There's a link for them in the description below as well. Okay, I'm going to continue.
For a snack, I had popcorn and some yogurt and fruit. Lunch was this tofu, rice and coleslaw.
Tofu, rice. I have to like stop it regularly because everything moves so quickly on TikTok. You know, I'm just going to miss the image. So tofu, she got a lot of tofu there because she's trying for the high protein, right? And I don't know how that has been cooked, but maybe she baked it in some sort of sauce. Rice, good. Coleslaw, okay. Avo, it's not bad, except this big whack of protein. That it really is going to like slow your digestion and your recovery. It's not going to aid in muscle growth, like only in the way that it's giving more calories to your overall total, because in order to build muscle, you need to have sufficient calories coming in, or else the body is like, well, you know, we don't have enough to build the muscle. So that is what the priority should be, not protein.
Bowl, and then I snacked on some edamame in
They're very salty as well, the edamame.
the afternoon, and for
creamy chickpea protein pasta.
dinner was protein pasta.
Oh gosh, that's the biggest abomination there is, protein pasta. The whole point of pasta is get a good carb hit. And now marketing has jumped into the scene, has entered the chat and just destroyed everything by turning it into this high protein thing. When it's always been traditionally a high carbohydrate thing, you know you're going to get a good glucose hit, but no, not anymore. Okay, so healthy,
this is what I eat.
Healthy Lynn Lee. Firstly, I wanted to say thank you for not hurting animals. I think that's amazing, and I'll always support you on that, okay? But you do need to improve this diet. It's not going to be beneficial for gaining muscle. You know, sure, if you get enough calories, you can still gain muscle if you do the work. It's built in the gym and also when you're resting. But if you want great digestion and you want it all to work properly in your body, then you need to fruit yourself and get the carbs in. Okay, so what in a day, 140 grams of protein, and she was 142. So it seems like there's probably some marketing about 140 grams that these girls are aiming for. So this woman, Layla, let's see.
What I eat in a day. 100.
Okay, so that is too much music. Breakfast. What? Girlfriend, I don't know. This does not look great. They're probably protein pancakes or something with cream. Okay. Oh, Biscoff stuff. Like, what is this Biscoff? I've seen this quite a bit. Hang on, let me have a look. Biscoff. What is it made out of? Originally caramelized biscuits, 58% wheat flour, sugar, veggie oil, palm oil, rapeseed oil, candy sugar syrup, raising agent, rapeseed oil again, sugar emulsifier. Okay, what? Okay, so this is basically just pulverized biscuits. I should have probably gathered that from the name, but wow, wholly unhealthy. Ah, what is this? Okay, let's look at music. Wow, so she's making some, I guess they're protein crisps. No, it's a no. No. You're better off having some like, you know, crackers in here instead that don't have this fat content, protein content. I'm not sure how much fat, but it kind of looks a bit like it's been cooked to fat. Soy protein isolate, no thank you. Nope. Wow, okay, no. Dinner is like, she's really scared of the carbohydrates. I can see that. She's got some vegetable matter in there, but she's going for protein stuff. I'm sure that's protein pasta. And this is some depressing cookie. Right. Okay. So, yeah, we're getting a lot of protein here, as we can see. And you just don't need to worry about getting heaps of protein in order to build muscle. You don't want to look like a bodybuilder anyway. I mean, these bodybuilders are taking creatine, all sorts of things that bloat out their muscles. They're holding a lot of fluid. And do you really want to look like that? Do you really want to be one of those fluidy, like, bodybuilder types walking around? Most women don't want that. And it's just not healthy. So get the carbs in, do the training, rest enough, and you will build muscle. You will do it. Get in the hydration as well. It's like protein is not the thing that people need. Okay? It's not. It's just hyped up marketing. So many people falling for it. Don't be a sucker. There's a sucker born every minute, you know what I say? Don't be one of them. All right. That's my video for today. Don't forget to go through yourself and stay off the protein rubbish, highly processed. Get your protein from whole foods. Your fruit will provide you with the perfect balance, and you'll be right, mate.